guys, good morning. Happy Monday. It's after the hurricane and after the flood, and I have done my little launch party. I think everything is up and ready to go. I'm so excited. Now I got to get my room organized. So I'm going to show you the little hot mess I got to start doing now. So I think I'm going to have this as my shipping station here. I'm going to set this all up here. Here's my pegboard. I got some really cute little rose gold little baskets, shelves. I got these on Amazon. And it came with 4. So there's 4 of the little racks. And then I got 4 baskets. And it's just, I guess, extra large, medium, large, and small. So I'm going to hang these up. And I got little ones to put my rolls of my stickers on. So I'm going to work on that. But I have to organize all of this hot mess I got going on here, as you can see. And I need to launch my Poshmark account as well. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be getting all of this together. I moved this name up. It's so bright, it's kind of hard to see, isn't it? It's still kind of hard to see. Let's see if I bring it down a little bit. There you go. Now you can see it. So I have that one, and I have this one, and then I have another one that's over there. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with getting this all organized. I think I may move this shelf to either in the middle. I'm going to move this table down here, move this one down, and then I'll put some packing stuff on there. So I don't know if I'm going to put it in the corner over here between the tables, or I'll put it on this side over here. But I have tons of stuff underneath that I need to start getting out and putting on the website as well. But yeah, here's some of the stuff from the launch. I'm so excited to get this going and started. All right, so I will let you know. Okay guys, so I think I'm pretty much got it done. I may have to reorganize a few things, but I went ahead and put my Cricut down here so it'd be close to the power cord into my computer so I can do my stickers and everything for t-shirts and stuff. But I got this all organized here. I'm going to use this to do my Poshmark, to do photos with the stand there. Here's my little makeup area. I didn't turn on that light that I have that's right there, but I cleaned this up a little bit, organized. That's going to be my weekly vlogs of beauty products that I'm going to test out and try and everything. I turned this one off. Okay, so here I turned that light on. I'm gonna have to find a place for that sign, and maybe when I do little events or whatever, I can take that with me. But I went ahead and put my cameras up there. I stacked my earrings on top of each other, and then anklets and bracelets and charms with rings, and then they got necklaces. Got that sign up there. But I'm gonna put my computer here next to the printer. I gotta get knocked out on these here. These are all my t-shirts, small, medium, large, 2 different types. I got packaging down here. I got this packaging here, and then I got more like packaging in here. This is for the makeup brand, and my jewelry. This fan has got to find another location. But I put those there. There's the gift boxes. I have little envelopes, I guess you could say, or little pouches to put jewelry in. There's my bags, and those are cloth bags, and then those are like velvet, can't even speak, bags here. And then here I put the fragile stickers that I made. I got these little stickers here, Beyond Grateful, that I made. These little cards I did, just saying thank you. So I have them up on a little shelf here. These are care cards as well. These are my little cleaning jewelry cloths here with my logo on them. And then these here are for the earrings and necklaces, to put them on. This is for necklaces or earrings as well. You got little spots to put earrings, or you can put necklaces. It's very cute. So I have to do all of those. I think I'm gonna have to get another basket or a few more baskets, and then try to put them in the middle. Maybe move this over and make space. These are some of my stickers for my thermal printer, and then I have thank you stickers and stuff, and then brag about it stickers, and then these are my Poshmark stickers. I have my Poshmark tissue paper here for packages. This is for my jewelry brand. I got some custom made tape that I need. Well, actually I already ordered, I think 300 feet of it or something like that. So that's supposed to be coming. And then I have in here, these are like stickers for my beauty business, my makeup line. And then I have thank you cards. This will be more for my Poshmark. Packages arrived, and then I got little thank you cards in the back. Then this is for my jewelry business, little stickers. These are supposed to go on my makeup bags, as well as excuse me, my makeup brushes. Excuse me. So I have those in there. What the heck happened to my voice, man? And then I have the other stickers here. And those are bigger stickers, Picturesque Beauty. And then I have for my lashes. This goes in some boxes. This is going to go on some of the other boxes. And then here, these are like different giveaway items, stickers. I have my Poshmark tape here. I have my stamp by Jennifer Lynn. And just regular clear tape to go with my gun as well. I got more packaging. These are my custom-made bags as well. They're going to go in here. This is just some tissue paper extra. These are little extra bags. Nothing there. Oh, these are my stamps for my business and for my chickens, my eggs that I'm doing. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, these are just for my hair cards. And this here is these are for my t-shirts. I have different, I think these are for Christmas. These are like Valentine. These are just cute little t-shirts to make. These are my my tags that go in my shirts. I got, let's see, what sizes do I have here? I got large and medium and extra large. And let's see, this is some more like little iron-ons. Here's some more until I get my machine comes in. This is some more. This is a cute one to go on a t-shirt. And then I have like some smaller ones that are really cute. I got these more. These are like country kind. This is different ones here. Here's another pretty one to go on a t-shirt. This is like mom and baby and dad, baby, mamas and babies, a career mom. This is going to be more shoe stuff, fashionista stuff. Then we got coffee ones, chase your dreams. And this is more that has like leopard stuff on it. And then I got some patriotic ones here. So anyway, I have all of these. I'm going to take pictures with all of these so everybody can see what t-shirts I will be making. If you have any ideas, let me know, and I can, once I get the machine, I can make them. Let's see what else. I put all my jewelry stuff, not jewelry, but my makeup stuff is all down here underneath. It's kind of hard to see. And then this is more stuff that I have to, for my videos, have to be done. My little Cricut cart. And then I have another table that's under here that I can slide out. And I can do like my jewelry pieces and stuff there. I got these cute little shoes the other day. Let's see. They're Kenneth Cole, but I thought these were darling little ballerina shoes, and they're on sale. But yeah, they're very cute and comfy little shoes. Can't wait to give them a try. So I just wanted to show you a pair of my faves. Okay, guys, so it's almost feeding time. So I'm going to shut everything down in here, and once hubby gets home, then I'll come back in here and finish working on stuff. This way that he can work with them, and because they have been locked up quite a little bit today. They have gone out twice to play. But anyway, I'm going to get the trash out of here. I need to vacuum in here, and I will follow up with you. Bye.